Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. Here how to find RMS value for periodic current. So your current equation given here, that is I of t, that is 8 plus 30 cos 2t minus 20 into sin 2t plus 50 into cos 4t minus 10 into sin 4t amperes. So this is the current. So it is a periodic current because it is having multiple current signals are there. Now how can you find RMS value for this current equation? That RMS value is called as RMS current. So that is I RMS equal to, how can you find it? So whenever periodic signal is given here. So at that time, first of all take root. So root of, here constant is only 8 is there. For that square it, it is 8 square. Plus, there is no more constant. Next, half of. Now you have multiple signals are there. So each have amplitude. That is, here 30 is their amplitude, 30 square. Plus, next, minus 20 is there, minus 20 square. Plus, next 15 square. Next, minus 10 square. So it becomes root of 8 square is 64 plus half of 30 square 900 plus 20 square 400 plus 15 square 225 plus minus 10 square nothing but 100. It becomes root of 64 plus half of, here 900 plus 100 1000, and here 400 plus 25, it is 625. 1000 plus 625, nothing but 1625. Now by using calculator we will get this value is nearestly 29.61 amperes. So this is the RMS current for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.